Hello everyone, this is Dr. Esperanza and we are now on week 7 of our semester and we are 1 week left away for our final week. Now for this week, really quickly, you need to learn how to work with correlation. You also need to learn how to work with two-sample hypothesis testing. So those two topics in inferential statistics may be a little bit too foreign to most of you, so I advise that you watch all the videos that I am posting on our announcement page and also on the web page that I have created for you on week number 2. So we are now on week 7, correlation, causation, and hypothesis testing for two-sample mean and proportion. So it could be a little bit too much, but don't get too intimidated because all the work that you will be doing on my math lab can be easily solved using StatCrunch. I've shown some of the power of StatCrunch from the video that I have posted last week. So I'm going to post some of them again, maybe in the middle of this week, because I want you to now try discovering how StatCrunch could help you. So just play with all those tools because that's part of how you're supposed to be learning statistics and Math 211. You need to learn how to use technology and you need to learn how to discover it on your own. As much as I want to just show it to you so that you don't need to worry about figuring it out on your own, but I want you to think, I want you to learn, I want you to challenge yourself, and we are now in the last stretch, and this is basically the last topic that you're going to be working on for this semester. So I want you to discover StatCrunch on how to solve for the test statistic and the p-value of two-sample hypothesis testing for mu and for proportion, and also how to draw the scatter plot and how to find the test statistic and the correlation coefficient and all those numerical summary of two numerical variables that you will be working on correlation. So again, finals week, next week, so you will be working on creating your own video presentation. Read the signature assignment as early as now. Just go through it, read through it, and see how you're going to plan your final week, which is happening next week. I know that this week is just going to be working on correlation and two-sample statistic, but again, I want you to think ahead because you're now in the last stretch. Just 2 more weeks of Math 211 and you are all going to finish this with a passing grade. And for those of you who are still keeping your A, good job. I'm happy to know that some of you are communicating with me and communicating with me maturely. So I appreciate your effort and I appreciate how you're trying your best to really figure this out on your own. I know it's not that easy, but you are trying your best, and that's what matters here. Because for Math 211, more than the statistics that you are going to be learning on how to analyze numerical data and how to analyze trend and how to interpret those numbers into words, I want you to be 1, develop self-discipline, 2, improve your time management skill, and 3, avoid bad habits like procrastination and cramming. So those are the values that more than the statistics is what I want you to learn in my class. So yes, 2 more weeks and I'll see you guys again next week. Have a great day and stay safe. Bye.